Never poach eggs this way again. Oh no, those eggs were so beautiful just now. Before we begin, we need to clean these eggs. Chickens raised on farms often carry dirt, droppings, and harmful bacteria when they lay eggs. To clean them, prepare a large bowl and transfer all the eggs to it. After removing the eggs, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder or 1 teaspoon of salt. Next, add 1 L of clean water. Soak the eggs for 3 minutes. After soaking, use a clean cloth to wipe the surface of the eggs. When a hen lays an egg, the egg must pass through a passage called the anus to be laid. The cloaca is also responsible for excretion. Therefore, dirt on the surface of the egg can stated include chicken droppings, feathers, and other contaminants. These contaminants, along with the adhesion of pathogenic microorganisms such as Escherichia, E. coli, and Salmonella, can pose a risk. Rinse again with clean water. After the first wash, the eggs were completely free of chicken droppings and dust. Rub gently with your hands, and then remove a plate. Look at these eggs after they've been cleaned, packaged, and brought to supermarkets for sale. Wait for them to drain. While waiting for the eggs to drain, place a pot on the stove and add about 1 liter of water. Cover the pot and turn on the stove. Pour about 1/3 teaspoon of cooking oil into a spoon. Then gently tilt the spoon to coat the egg evenly with oil. This thin layer of oil will prevent the egg from sticking to the spoon and help it maintain its perfect round shape. Next, crack the egg directly into the spoon. When the water is boiling vigorously, don't drop the egg in immediately. Instead, hold the spoon just above the water's surface, allowing the heat to slightly solidify the egg white first. This step takes about 1 minute to help create a beautiful and perfect egg shape. When you see the egg white become slightly cloudy and gather around the yolk, slowly dip the entire spoon into the pot. At this point, the egg is partially solidified, so it won't spread, break, or stick to the bottom of the pot. Boil the egg for about 2 to 3 minutes, depending on whether you prefer a runny or slightly firmer yolk. Once done, gently lift the egg onto a plate. And look, what a sight to behold, right? Poached eggs prepared this way will be perfectly round and plump. With the egg white completely encasing the yolk, without breaking or leaking, the egg whites are smooth and beautiful, while the yolks sit neatly inside, rich and creamy. Incredibly appealing. This is the standard of 5-star restaurant-style poached eggs that you can easily make at home. They're convenient for breakfast with porridge, noodles, or even bread. All delicious, quick, easy, and with perfect results.